In this video, we will show how to speed up your work in Amidene with the help of transform functionality. To practice what we explain in this lesson, download the accompanying file of a clock drawing. First thing we do is create a new sheet of 600 by 600 pixels. Since we are creating a same-size sheet as the one used in the drawing, simply click on the little plus icon in the Sheets panel. This will add an identical sheet next to the original one. Using the Rectangle tool, add a background to a newly created sheet. With the help of the eyedropper, we may easily copy the color of the original drawing. Now let's add guides to center the drawing properly. Pull them from the vertical and horizontal rulers. It's time to add a dial for this clock. Here's how we can do this. Select the Ellipse tool and place the cursor at the center of the drawing. Press Option and Shift keys simultaneously and drag the cursor until the diameter of the circle reaches 360 pixels. Release the mouse button and then Option and Shift keys. In the Appearance panel, open Stroke Settings, choose Outside Alignment for the stroke, and set the width to 20 points. Close the Settings dialog and set the necessary stroke and fill colors for the dial. Manually adding minute marks on the dial can be a pain. That's when the Transform panel comes in handy. Let's begin with creating a single mark using the Line tool. Once the line is drawn, we will set stroke width to 6 points. Select round caps and grayish color for the stroke. No need to set fill color. Switch to the Move tool and click to display rotation center for the mark we just created. Drag the rotation center to the center of the dial. Now click Modify Transform menu to bring up the Transform panel. The panel is used to adjust the geometric properties of objects, such as scale, move, rotation, and shear. By making a copy of the original object and repeating the transform operation again, we can create a set of symmetrical objects in just a few clicks. So here's what we should do. In the panel, set Rotation to 6 degrees and activate Copy Objects checkbox. Click Apply. To duplicate more minute marks, hold Command and keep pressing the J key until you create 58 marks and complete the dial. Looks quite symmetrical. To add hour marks, we will use the same technique. The first mark will be added at the noon position. It will be longer and darker than the minute marks. In the Transform panel, this time we set rotation to 30 degrees and repeat the process 10 times using Command and J keys. To complete the clock, we need to add clock hands, which is rather easy using the Line tool. Transform functionality is a real time saver when it comes to creation of art which requires element duplications with position and angle changes. Well, that's it for our short lesson about Transform.